Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying credentials and environment. Insert your CAC, know your PIN, and confirm your account is active with your unit. Once done, install the approved middleware like Active Client so the system can read certificates. This matters because authentication fails without it. Make sure your PC or laptop meets Army Virtual Desktop minimum specs and that you have stable network or VPN access. These steps remove common blockers and let you move straight into account registration and client setup. You now initiate the provisioning workflow. Submit an AVD request via your unit's admin or service now ticket and include your CAC details and role. Once a sponsor approves, you'll receive a provisioning email. Follow it because it contains the tenant and resource names. Next, download the Army-approved AVD client, run it, and choose Add Work or School account. Use your CAC-based certificate or enterprise credentials to register the device so the service recognizes you and completes the profile. You finish by launching the Army Virtual Desktop client, selecting your assigned desktop, and authenticating with your CAC and PIN. This establishes the secure session. Once connected, install approved applications and map any required network drives or printers so your workspace mirrors on-premise resources. If you encounter errors, like authentication failures or blank sessions, clear the AVD cache, re-register your certificate by reinstalling middleware. And if that fails, open a ticket with the help desk for log collection and escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.